Hi, my name is Larry Zamba, and I want to have a beautiful smile again. I want to be able to chew my food properly because I'm missing 5 teeth. So to give you an example of what I've got going right now in my mouth, I need 2 implants and a bridge to make up for the 4 missing teeth on this side of my mouth. Over here, I have a molar that's been filled multiple times. It's now got another cavity and the tooth is cracked. That's going to need a crown. Up above, I have a need of an implant and a crown up there. And across the front, what's known as the social 6, I need to have those veneers replaced. They're all busted, cracked, stained. Seems like they're being held together with duct tape and glue. So with that in mind, I checked out my local dentists and I've got several opinions. They were all running between $10,000, $20,000 with insurance. That was more than I felt like spending. So I looked into the concept of dental tourism. Now, for those of you who don't know what that is, that's the idea where you go to another country to get the work done because it's less expensive. And ultimately, indeed, it was quite a bit less than I would pay for in the States. So I had to settle on a place. I like Mexico because I like the idea of sun, surf, and sand, and ultimately decided to go with Puerto Vallarta. Now, Puerto Vallarta is sun, surf, sand, all that kind of good stuff. You'd have a great time there. Next, I had to look for a dentist that got a lot of high ratings from people going over there. One name kept popping up, Dr. Arturo Pereira, 5-star rating. So I give him an email to which he responds within 2 hours with a phone call, and we talked. And he was the nicest guy, right? Spoke perfect English, and he gave me the same diagnosis that the other doctors were giving me. And I said, this sounds great. So I booked my flight, booked a room at the Holiday Inn Express, and went through 4 days worth of procedures, which I will give you an outline of once I'm a little further into this recording. And you'll see an interview with a good doctor, and I hope it helps you make up your mind about what you might want to do in case you need a lot of dental work done. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arturo Pereira. I'm the leading dentist of Dental Solutions Puerto Vallarta. I've been a dentist for over 10 years and focusing my practice to restorative and aesthetic dentistry. Over these years, I found the perfect team that I've been working with.
Let's talk about the value of money and why it's worth it to get your teeth done in Puerto Vallarta.
What it is the value is that considering the 2 of brands of material, the installations, all the equipment that we have is basically the same that you will find in the United States and Canada. But for I don't like to call it cheaper, but I would like to call less expensive.
Or more value for the money?
Or you will get more for your money, exactly. And also you have the chance to get to know this beautiful town that is Puerto Vallarta. But in my opinion, for you to get the best out of your money is when someone is coming, let's say, for implants, for root canals, for crowns, which you'll get your money and worth it more here.
Hey everybody, I'm done with the first leg of my journey in Puerto Vallarta, visiting Dr. Arturo. The results? All these front teeth look marvelous. I'm so happy with them. And the implants, they were relatively painless to put in. In January, I'll be back to put in the crowns on and the bridge on those. if you're looking to save a lot of money and work with a dentist that is super personable, knows his stuff, and will give you the kind of care that you need, I highly recommend going to Dr. Arturo. I have no regrets, and I got to see a little bit of Vallarta, and I really loved it, and I can't wait to come back in January.